The following message has been transmitted at the request of the United States government. Elmo is destroying even more states in the United States. The United States is under attack or under a lockdown. He's destroying other states in the central United States. The following states: Indiana, Kentucky, Tennessee, Delaware, Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, Florida, Georgia, Alabama, and Mississippi. All residents in these states are strongly advised to move west immediately. Gather necessary supplies for your journey, such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a first aid kit, a battery-powered radio or plug-in radio, extra batteries, phones, chargers, and a flashlight. Stay tuned for more local media outlets on this dangerous situation.